Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to replace the sensor head on the GLD Small Refrigerant Gas Detector with built-in sensor. For instructions on how to replace the sensor head on a unit with remote sensor, please see the separate video on this topic. In this video, we will show you how to replace the sensor head on the detector with a new, pre-calibrated and tested sensor head. Let's have a look at how easily this can be done. First, let's remove the lid from the enclosure. Using a screwdriver, carefully unscrew and remove the lid. Next, disconnect the power contact from the PCB main board to avoid false alarms and warnings during this process. The unit is low voltage. Now, disconnect the cable that links the sensor head to the PCB main board. Be gentle to avoid damaging any components. Unscrew the entire sensor head from the enclosure by hand. Turn it counterclockwise. No tools are needed for this. This will allow you to replace it with the new sensor head. Take the new pre-calibrated sensor head and mount it on the enclosure. Unscrew the nut from the sensor head and use it on the inside of the enclosure in order to attach the sensor head. Hand screw it firmly, clockwise, to ensure it is securely in place. Fasten it tightly, but make sure not to break or damage the seal by using excessive force. Connect the cable from the new sensor head to the PCB mainboard contact. Ensure the connection is secure. When you are sure the sensor head is connected properly, reconnect the power contact to the PCB mainboard to power up the unit again. During the warm-up phase, the green LED flashes around twice every second. It is also possible the warning light will come on during the warm-up period. Wait 5 minutes to make sure the unit has warmed up. If the sensor head is connected correctly, the unit's green LED light will light up. If it is not properly connected, the red and yellow LEDs will be on. Reinstall the lid onto the enclosure. Make sure it is tightly fastened and that the seal is in the correct place. After replacing the sensor head, wait 5 minutes to make sure that the sensors have warmed up completely and has established optimal behavior. For any further questions, please refer to the product's full and detailed manual or contact us. Thank you for watching.